at the moment is actually very close to my home. It's maybe 1.5 kilometers from where I live. And there's always a creek running over this road. There's always some water. But on days like today, the water is obviously much higher. And that creates an awesome water feature here to my right. So we're going to have a look at it. Let's have a look. So following a little track here. Okay, a rope. Must be on the right path then. I'm getting a bit closer to the water, but I'm not sure if I'm actually on the right trail here. Now I can see waterfalls maybe in 300 meters to my left. So I'm going to follow the bank here to my left, see how close we can get. A bit of a bush bash here. I'll probably have to go up a little higher. We're getting closer. You can hear it properly. Let's go up and over here. This looks like a trail. We're probably right here. Wow. Oh, that's a cave. Look at that. Look at this cave. See if we can get any closer. Okay, that's a nice point here. Well, that was worthwhile coming down for. I heard about the cave, but I've never been here and never walked this trail. And that cave is just absolutely fantastic. It's bigger than I thought it would be. And absolutely worthwhile for an overnight wild camp. So we will come back here. You can hear the traffic, so we're close to the road again. So we're gonna wrap up this video. Yeah, very small exploration of the awesome stuff that we have around us. As I mentioned earlier, this is just a kilometer, maybe 1.5 kilometer max from my home, but never been here. That was worthwhile. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Ciao. That's the way.